Never get stuck without a ride because of payment worries. Here's how to effortlessly pay for your Uber trips using your debit card. First things first, grab your smartphone and open the Uber app. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from your device's app store. Once the app is open, tap on the menu icon, which usually looks like 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. From the menu that slides out, find and tap on the payment option. This section is where you'll manage all your payment methods. On the payment screen, you'll see any payment methods you might have already added. To add your debit card, tap on the Add Payment Method button. A list of payment options will appear. Select debit card from the choices provided. Now, you'll need to enter your debit card details. This includes your 16-digit card number, the expiration date, the 3 or 4-digit CVV code usually found on the back of your card, and your billing zip code. Carefully enter all the information and then tap the Save or Add Card button to confirm. Great job! Your debit card is now successfully added to your Uber account. It will likely be set as your default payment method for your next ride. To ensure you use your debit card for a ride, simply book your trip as usual, and when confirming your ride details, double-check that your debit card is selected as the payment method. That's all there is to it. Enjoy seamless rides with your debit card. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.